use of smoked commercial tobacco products in Indigenous North Americans is the highest among all ethnic subgroups in the United States. After reviewing over 13 years of data from Olmsted County, Minnesota, we determined that although the Indigenous cohort was more likely to smoke compared to the non-Indigenous cohort, Indigenous people were more likely to quit smoking and more likely to use pharmaceutical cessation aids to quit smoking. The key smoking behaviors we identified influencing smoking prevalence was smoking relapse after more than a year of smoking cessation. Smoking relapse was more than 3 times higher in the Indigenous cohort than the non-Indigenous cohort. Understanding smoking behaviors among Indigenous North Americans is critical to create prospective, evidence-based interventions to address smoking prevalence.
This video content is copyrighted by Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research.